guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fevan. I came with this banging look, just like a purple vibes type look, and yeah, so if you want to see how I got this, then keep on watching. By the way, I'm going to be using the NYX Tame and Frame pomade. So basically what I'm going to be doing is lining my eyebrows. So I start off by lining the bottom and then I go on and line the top. And then I just create these flicking motions. And then I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows out. Like, this step is like really essential because it makes the eyebrows look way more natural. I got this spoolie from Morphe. I just took it because it was free. And then I'm gonna make some like little hair strokes going up, like a flicking motion upwards. But you have to be very light with your hand, I guess. And I'm just gonna like fill in any gaps. So for example here. Then I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in the shade F12. I've been meaning to get a different concealer brush just because I feel like it isn't the type of brush to use for concealer. I feel like it's really hard to apply my concealer on. And then I make sure to go in with a wet sponge. I'm just gonna blend the middle bit upwards. Then I'm gonna be using the Boss Me Morphe palette, and then I'm gonna be using the shade FOTD. So once I've got like this, so I'm gonna use this like busted brush and then use the shade Red Carpet to blend in them colors. Well, I guess it's just one color, but just to blend in the top bits. I'm gonna show you how to do that. You just basically go around in circular motions. I'm not trying to go too high because then it starts to look weird, so I'm trying to go like in really small circles. Yeah, so I feel like circular motions really helps to really blend the colors in. Then I'm gonna use the shade Dead Evil, which is this one, and just using that same brush, I'm just gonna go right here. And then I just make sure to just keep dabbing that product on and just keep layering that shade on. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. I haven't done eyeliner in a long time, but I think I'm gonna do that today. I think I'm gonna do that today. Before putting my eyeliner on, I'm gonna just use my micellar water and a cotton pad and just basically create a line. Just like that. Obviously doing that with the micellar water and cotton pad helps me draw my eyeliner on way better. going to be using the shade Great Expectations just to add a little pop like right here. It was over. I'm basically just going to dab right here. And then I'm going to be using the Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner. I'm just going to make like little lines. This is like a really quick way to do like a cut crease. This is really subtle, so if you're not that good at cut creases, then I really recommend this gel liner just because it's really easy to use. So the next step is adding foundation. So I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in the shade F13. So blending this out with a concealer brush really helps me do less work with the beauty blender. So now that's all spread out, I'm gonna now blend that with a beauty blender, and I'm gonna try blend that in with my neck as well. And I also do the top of my brows as well with that same foundation shade. Pretty much cutting that eyeliner, making it more sharp. I'm using the same foundation that I used under my eyebrows to conceal my eyebrows. For anywhere I want extra coverage. And I try to really tap in that foundation and concealer. Then I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution baking powder in the shade Beige. And then I'm just going to bake everywhere I highlighted. And then I'm going to use this big fluffy brush to basically brush it all off. I don't leave it on for too long, I leave it on for like a couple seconds, so yeah. Hey, you know the vibe. And then I'm going to use the Revolution Bake and Blot in the shade Deep Dark. I'm going to use that same baking powder and I'm just going to cut that contour. Yeah, this is quite satisfying to watch. I'm just cutting that. Also, I was getting lit to like music, so that's why my AirPods are in. I'm thinking about doing a playlist video because I feel like my tunes are banging, so watch out for that, I guess. And then I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu spray. And then I'm using the Revolution Wispy Lash mascara just to coat a little bit, to coat my lashes a little bit. Not too much though. I don't put that much mascara on because I haven't really got lashes, so yeah. Then I'm putting that highlight on. I think this is where I started to really feel myself, because when that highlight comes on, damn. Then I'm adding my signature beauty spots. I don't know if you do this to your makeup, but try adding this to your makeup routine, and I'm pretty sure you'll like it. Depends how you like beauty spots, but I really like them. I think I'm gonna do darker lips because I'm not feeling the glossy. I'm gonna just wipe all of that gloss off. So I'm gonna use that same pomade that I used for my eyebrows to line my lips. I was struggling to find a colour for my lip just because I didn't know what would match with the purple eyeshadow, and I did not want to use lip gloss. I ended up going with a lighter shade. This was quite different for me, but I ended up liking it. Okay, I'm done with the lips. I'm not gonna bother trying because I think this is alright. I usually wouldn't do this, but it's not everyday glossy lips, so yeah. I don't want to miss the sun pics, so I need to go quick and take some sun pictures. Then I just put on some earrings to be feeling myself even more. This is my makeup look. I'm gonna go wet my hair and I'll be back, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe. It means a lot to me if you do, and yeah, I guess see you for the next video. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding a coupe.